E3.series, with its design process flexibility and integration capabilities, have made it the chosen solution for automotive customers worldwide. Whether it's concept, design, manufacture or maintenance, E3.series can help with your automotive design process. For early stage design, E3 Topology allows users to realize their designs in a one-to-one scaled environment and to produce conceptual designs, outlining system requirements, determine subsystem interconnections and create concepts for discussion. The same interface can then be used to detail documentation by developing wiring diagrams, produce estimates of wire harness weights and costs. The topology environment enables collaboration between logical and physical design. We can also prepare designs for manufacture by linking to E3 Formboard or via collaboration with 3D mechanical systems. Harness routes can easily be defined and what-if scenarios quickly checked. Equipment from the schematic design is dragged from the device tree into the topology layout, and signaling automatically passes along the defined routes. Wires are simply added to the schematic via drag and drop. Checks ensure the correct gauge is used. The resultant bundle diameter is automatically shown in the topology harness. Key to many automotive designers is the ability to handle the multitude of options, packages of options, and configurations of their designs. E3.series, with its built-in configurations and packages functionality, allows users to determine all possible options on a vehicle. Options can be determined independently and imported over the top of existing designs. Likewise, known good configurations can be exported for later use. Systems engineers and electrical engineers can work independently but then unify their data to form the new product configurations. Changes made to the options are immediately reflected in the design. The functionality enables systems engineers to optimize platforms and try what-if scenarios in order to optimize the production process. In addition, automatic reports of the configuration will show parts lists and wiring details. Core to E3.series is cable functionality. Blocks allow the user to quickly realize their designs. Blocks can represent any items from standard devices to printed circuit boards or electronic control units and allow users to determine system interconnections. Design automation allows designers to focus on design and not have to think about selecting conditional parts such as mating halves of connectors. Connector pin terminals and cavity seals are determined by the wire gauge and short circuits are prevented, all ensuring accurate manufacturing detail. External data is easily integrated into the design by importing onto the blocks, which automatically load connector and signal information, thus enabling integration with either the supply chain or internal electronics divisions. Wires added to the schematic can very quickly be incorporated into new cables and harnesses. Structure is easily defined, including shielding and twisted pair configurations. The resultant structure can be automatically displayed on the drawing. The object-oriented nature of E3.series means that harnesses are easily derived from the schematic data. New views of connectors and devices used in the schematic are simply placed on the formboard sheet, which is drawn at one-to-one scale. Changes to the harness detail in either schematic or the formboard are immediately reflected across each other, once again ensuring accurate manufacturing detail. Detailed wiring tables come as standard and are automatically added and populated. Lengths of segments can be manually entered and the segments adjusted accordingly. A visual check indicates which branches are not yet adjusted. Cable protection and cable ties can be added at this stage, readying the design for manufacture. To find out more about our Automotive edition, including options such as our mechanical CAD integration, field and service documentation functionality, change management tools, PDM, PLM integrations and simulation, visit our website at zuken.com/E3series.